Hey, good morning, Rolling Country Outdoors. Scott here. We are out here this morning. We are about to get started putting this floor down, and we got it all ready yesterday. Got these registers painted. So there's our pile of wood. So we just got to get the paper down, and we're going to get rolling on this. So hang tight. Let me get set up. We'll get rolling.
That green coat, you know, I had on yesterday. Had paint all over.
Yeah.
It came off.
Really? Did you wash it?
No. I figured for sure it was ruined.
I don't know. Was it still paint? Okay, let me go get my stapler. Be right back.
All my cussing in my sleep last night.
Okay, that's good to know. Now he was talking yesterday that we would just leave it because we're okay with the stuff like this.
Okay. Yeah. We'll see. At the moment, the floor's got to go down first
Before that,
before we close it in with trim.
we should call him and see if he wants to bring in that thing.
We reckon this is a one-day job or multiple-day job?
It all depends on how it goes in the beginning.
Okay. I have never done hardwood floors like this, so I didn't know what to expect.
It all depends on how it gets started.
Okay.
Once it gets started, it's
Really?
You know.
Yeah.
Well, there are gonna be cuts on both sides and
Yeah.
picking through the pieces of the puzzle.
Gotcha. Yeah. You do want me to bring my table saw up here?
Nah.
No, you're good with that?
Yeah. That's the only one.
Whatever makes it easier on
This
you.
corner here was done. Once we get straight and get them in line,
Yeah.
it'll go much easier.
I'm not playing with your ass. I'm just getting the knife. I'll have to edit that out.
Once we get actually started, I can go get the sawhorses, so
Yeah, that's fine.
save the backs.
Yeah.
Once we get a secure road up.
Well,
Start
I
nailing.
need to go get a board.
I have to cut some off this corner too.
Oh, yeah.
I gotta back up a 1/4 inch here. Yeah.
crown in the floor?
No,
No? Okay.
This back wall is,
Yeah.
so I'm trying to get
Yeah.
it square with the chimney,
Right.
so that we don't have no weird cut up
Cut
here.
up there, yeah.
Yeah.
That's where you're gonna see it, huh?
Just make, you see how I put that level? Make sure it looks like it didn't move. And, oh no, out here, so
Oh.
yeah. That looks straight?
Yep.
There it is, 163. It's still tight to the chimney?
Uh-huh.
Okay. 163, there we go.
Like it?
I do. All right, so now we can put some screws.
Uh-oh, that's the first screw in.
I think we're locked in place here.
First screw. We're screwed if it ain't screwed.
It's nice that that damn board went there.
Yeah.
There.
Yeah, I know.
Gotta debate what we're gonna do there. Man.
Well, we're gonna have the other board there that we may have to get the regular
Yes.
screws.
Even here's gonna, where is that? Oh. Maybe.
Well, I'll tell you what, do you want
It's
me to
gonna be
get?
even hard to nail this next row. Maybe though. But
Well, you
It's
should be able
gonna
to
be
screw them and then sink them in, right?
I don't wanna do that.
You don't?
Because the screw would have to be out here.
No, screw in the valley there, but just sink it in further.
Yeah, maybe.
But if you want, I can get my.
The biggest thing is we gotta keep them right where exactly where they're at. We don't want them to move.
If you want me to get my
I was thinking about
reamer.
I was thinking about shooting a nail.
Well, I'm talking about my pilot hole thing where we can countersink a regular construction screw because it'll be hidden because we'll have that lip there. I
Well,
mean,
that lip's gonna be way back here,
oh, it is.
I think. Is that the board there that goes up
Yeah.
here?
Uh-huh. It's gonna have to be ripped down.
It's
but
gonna
yeah.
be back this far anyway.
Oh, okay.
Alright, well, let's think about it. These are the hardest rows, just to
Yeah.
get everything secure.
Secured in.
Because when you get banging on that,
Yeah.
it will knock these,
Oh, really?
it will knock them loose if they're not. But we may have to use that other tool. The one that you can hook in there
Oh, yeah.
to hold this while
Yeah.
we're smacking this nail.
Yeah. Banging and clanging.
Once we get like 3 or 4 rows out,
Yeah.
it'll be secure then by then.
Okay.
But these first, this first time is going to be a little
Critical.
This is the hard part, getting the first rows in. Yeah. Yeah. Okay. Well, hopefully,
See what happens.
hopefully there's nothing there. Yeah. You want to hit it, don't mess around with it, but you don't have to hit it real hard because it's air compressor.
Yeah.
That's pop out. Maybe we move this. Yeah.
Right there?
Yeah, just hit it. Like you're doing something. Got it?
Is that enough?
Yeah. That sounds good to me.
Is it actually going in?
Let me get this. Let's untangle ourselves. Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah. Wait a minute. So you want to catch that lip and make sure this sits flat.
Flat?
Yeah.
Okay.
Yep.
Is that too hard?
No, that's perfect. Okay.
Okay, right. Towards the end, is it?
Yeah.
That's about right there.
Yep.
Oh! Scratch it, Scott. Right there?
Yeah. Okay. Now come down here, skip to the next one,
Yeah.
and hit one on this end. That needs to pull over a little bit.
Right?
Yeah.
Oh, I see it moved a little bit. Yeah.
Now you can put one in the middle.
Okay. It's a short piece.
Yeah. I think I seen that back one move today. Cover that first piece of paper.
Mm-hmm.
I'll probably end up going up here and getting the sawhorses so we don't have to work
Okay.
off the floor.
Okay.
But for now, just to get it where we can start going faster.
Yeah.
Okay. Wait a minute. Over here. Miller? Okay. Think so. Well, I'm pretty sure you already got that one, didn't you?
Well, not down here at the end.
Oh, okay. What's the board you got laid out there? Is that the white bars for here?
Yes.
The ones you
Yeah.
got?
Uh-huh.
Yes. Ron's harebrained idea.
Yeah.
That I got blamed for.
Blamed.
Yes, he's telling everybody it's my idea to go with it.
Well, that's fine.
I ran
You
out-
blame all of me.
I ran out of feet last night,
Oh.
so. There's not a board there. Dean,
Huh?
there's no boards next to it.
Oh, no, you don't nail that one yet.
Oh,
Well,
shit,
you
or-
can leave it now, but.
Scott,
What?
there's no boards next to it.
What do you mean?
Well, why are you nailing it when there's no boards next to it?
Well, him and he comes back.
I can come back this way.
He didn't want to go that way.
Oh, I didn't know.
That's fine.
How'd you know that? I didn't know that.
I was beating it in to try to see what was going on with that lid.
Oh.
But it's fine, it's there
It's
now.
obvious you don't nail anything until you got all the boards in.
It's there. We can work backwards. It's
Look,
fine.
everybody. Prime example. Not
You sure you don't, boy, here we go, get the gas?
Yeah.
Thanks, Ron. Thanks, buddy.
Fire.
That was funny.
I thought we was like this, man. Bros before home.
Okay.
So we got those, at least one of those in. I guess we got the other one ready to go too. So we can get that one in.
I just sat there. Yeah.
It's not tight.
Oh yeah.
My brothers would be a hammer. Okay, we got a lot of the floor done today, all the way up to the fireplace. We'll get this area and this area over here probably later this week or next weekend, not sure, but it turned out really good. You like it?
Yes.
Turned out good?
Now we do the rest of the house.
Yes.
Only 2 more rooms.
Yep. Yeah, it looks really good. We should have plenty. Looks like we got 2.5 boxes left over there, so we should have plenty to do here. And we'll get transitions put in here in the doorways. But yep. No more crown in the floor, so it looks good.
Crown, you mean humps?
Yeah, humps in the floor, and it's stable,
And it's level?
level. Yep.
Not all cattywampus?
Anyway, I think this is where we're going to end this video. Thanks for coming and joining on this 185-year-old log cabin journey, and hopefully you'll come back and join us.
On our next adventure?
Next adventure, whatever next harebrained idea my wife comes up with.
I do? I just told you, the rest of the floors.
Yep. All right, y'all take care. Have a good evening, and we'll catch you on the next video. Bye.
Bye.